G'day everyone, this is Warracknabeal. Bit of a car show going on for the Easter weekend. This looks like obviously a Ford Mustang. Have a look at this one, beautiful collector's item. Very well kept and maintained. You can just see in there. Here's the back of it. The famous horse on it. Looks pretty good. And this is an old work truck. Beautiful old Ford. C&T Abbey, Warracknabeal, flatbed. Speed restored. Wooden trunk on the back of it. Have a look inside. Have a bit of a peek. And here's some others along here. Statesman DeVille. Beautiful car, that one too. Oh, look at this vintage. Not sure of the year. I don't know much about cars, everyone, but I know when something looks pretty good. Old Chevy. So there's the Ford in comparison, and there's the Chevy. Have a look inside of that. Look at that, the original steering wheel. Beautiful. A bit of a swing around. And the Tirana, the famous Tirana. Yeah. What do we have here? That's beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous. You'll probably know more about these cars than what I do. And here's an old Fiat. That would be quite priceless, that one. These are obviously car enthusiasts. Have a look there. You know, people dedicate their lives to restoring these cars. So you can see some streeting around. And here's a classic, Holden. Original old Holden. Just swing around. Excuse me, thank you. Have a look at this. The Holden, the good old Holden Ute. Look. The good old Australian Holden Ute. I'm not sure what year it is. Excuse me, what year is it? What year? Might tell us over here, will it? Oh, 1957, everyone. Yeah, 1957. It's a classic. It is beautiful. And here's some motorcycles. And look at this, everyone. Oh, look at the Pontiac over there, the Pontiac station wagon. We'll come back to that. There's a Massey Harris tractor with a Ford. Here's another old vintage Ford. The Army. And here we are, the Mini Miner. With the nostalgic suitcase up top. Beautiful old-fashioned caravan there. Oh, here's another Ford, everyone. Beautiful vehicles, just absolutely magnificent. Here's another Holden Ute. These are pretty nostalgic in Australia. It's been well restored. thought to perhaps go around and do some vlogs in different towns of travelling. That is such a vintage vehicle. This one, look, it's even got the crank handle there. So we'll have a little peek inside. Oh, look at that little two-seater. So the generalisation was for, in Australia with Holden, they needed a vehicle, they needed to design a vehicle where they could use it for the paddocks to carry the livestock through the week and then take the family to church on a Sunday. So that's how the ute, thank you, that's how the ute came about. So during the week it was the workhorse, and then come Sunday for church they were able to go to church and clean it up. So look at this Pontiac. Looks beautiful there. Right, it's got the old-fashioned 70s chairs in the back. And there's a Chevy as well. That's a beautiful pic, isn't it? Oh, what do we have here? Looks like some sort of Porsche right there. Could be wrong.
This is the model before that one. Yep.
I'll take another look over there. Not sure what this is. Someone will know. I don't have a great deal of knowledge, everyone, on the cars. The old Valiant, that was very popular back in the 70s. And they all have their club permit numbers on. Another Valiant. This one looks a bit flash. Convertible. Oh, the old Zephyr. They were another popular car back in the 60s, I believe. And here's a common Holden ute. Oh, flatbed. Hello, Ray. I'm doing these vlogs, everyone, before I go to work. I have to go to work now. I'm on the 12:30 till 9 show for work. So I just thought I'd pop in and quickly show you. So I'll leave you all with this one. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you.